Welcome to maths class, children. And today I'm going to teach you about percentage. Okay. And here we will learn the problems related to percentage. Okay, children.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Now I'm going to tell to Prajwal. Prajwal, can you read this? What I have shown there?
The term percentage. The term percent or percentage for every 100 or out of 100.
Yes. The term percent or percentage means for every 100 or out of 100. Okay, Sahaj.
Okay, sir.
Now please tell this which I have shown just now. A student scores 67% marks in exam means out of full marks 100, he or she scores 67 marks. 67% means out of 100, how much marks is obtained? 67 marks is obtained. Okay, are you clear, Prajal?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now I am moving to the next one. And I am going to ask to Nibisa. Nibisa, tell this one. What is the question here? Nibisa, are you listening my sound?
Yes, sir.
Okay, please
7 by
tell.
10.
What is the question?
Question, convert the following into percentage.
Yes. Do you know how to convert this fraction into percentage?
Multiply by 100%.
You are right. You are right. Absolutely right. Christine, we have to multiply by 100 this. Okay. When you multiply by 100, then it will be like this. Okay. This 0, 0 cancel. Then what will remain?
70.
Huh?
10%.
There is 10. Is there 10? Or this 10 will be multiplied with
10 will be
7.
multiplied with 7, yes?
7. Yes, 10 will multiply with 7. Then what will be here? What will be there?
70%.
Yeah, this will be 70%. Okay, children.
Okay, sir.
This 7 by 10 means 7 by 10, right? Okay. And multiply by 100. And if you cancel 0, 0, then it will remain here. 7 into 10, that means 70%. Okay, children.
Okay, sir.
Now look here, I am going to teach you next one. When decimal is given there, how to convert into percentage? This also multiply by 100. When you multiply 0.67 by 100, it will be 67%. Do you have confusion, children, here?
Where that 100% to 0.
Yes, when you multiply 0.67, okay, multiply by 100, then this decimal will convert into percentage. Okay, children.
Okay, sir.
Like this, you will do question number 1. Okay. Now I am moving to question number 2. Question number 2. What is there, Susan? Hello, Susan.
Yes, sir.
Read this question.
Express the following percent into the fraction.
Yeah. This question is given in percentage and asking us to convert into fraction. And fraction should be written in lowest term. Lowest term means you have to cancel and write in small values. Okay. Okay, Prajwal?
Okay, sir.
Okay. When you write the percentage into fraction, cancel the percentage, what comes down? 100. Then cancel this 0, 0, and 2 ones are 2. Here will be 2 ones are 2, okay? And here will be what? 0, 0 cancel first, and 2 5s are 10. What will be the lowest term here now? 1 by 5.
5.
Understood, children? Now look here, I am showing you next. When there is given mixed fraction like this, look here. 18 whole number 1 by 3. 18 whole number 1 by 3. Then how to solve it? Okay, look here, I am going to show. This 18 multiplied with 3, what will be? 18 3 is 54, right? And 54 plus 1. This 1 will be added here.
24.
Okay, then this will be 55. 54 plus 1, this will be 55 divided by 3. Then when you cancel percentage, down comes 100. That 100 will multiply with 3, then it will be 300. Okay, and you cancel this one. 25 jar. Okay, and 11 5 jar. Then 11 upon what became there? 60. 11 is by 60 is the lowest term of this fraction. We converted this percentage into fraction. Understood, Nabi sir?
Yes, sir, understood.
Ritik? Have you understood? Okay, now look here. I am moving to question number 3. Question number 3 is asking to find the values of this. Okay, when you find the values of this given one, okay, first of all cancel the percentage sign. Okay, and if you cancel percentage sign, what comes down? 100. Then when you multiply this upper one, it comes 12.5 multiplied with 80, it comes what? 1000. Then 2020 cancel. Then what will be the answer there? 10 meter. You understood how to find the value of this type of question? Understood?
Okay. Sir, confused, sir.
Are you clear? Look here, I am going to show you again. When you cancel the percentage, down comes 100. Then upper one multiply, and it will be 1000. Then down is 100. 2020 cancel. And what is remaining here? 10 meter. Like this, we will do question number 3. Okay, children?
Okay, sir.
Rujib, understanding? Are you understanding?
Yes, sir.
Good. Look here, question number 4. Find the quantity whose 40% is 18. Question is given like this, okay? Then quantity is missing. Then let the quantity be x. Okay, Nissan? Then question tells that 45% of x is 18. 45% of x is 18 given there. X is missing, this quantity is missing. Then it will be 45% of x equals 18. Then 45x, then down it will be 100% cancel. That's why down 100 comes. Now this 100 go this side, it will multiply with 18. 1800, then divided by 45. When you cancel and when you divide, you will get x value is 40. Then answer right, therefore required quantity is 40. Okay, children? Are you clear about this phone number?
Yes, sir.
Good. Christine, are you clear?
Yes, sir.
Good, good. Okay. Now I am moving to the next question. That is question number 5. What percent of telling? Question is asking to find percentage. Okay. Question is asking us to find percentage. Percentage is missing. Okay. Percent of 40 is 16. What percent of 40 is 16? Okay. We are going to find the percent. Then 40 is 16. This is the question. Then right here, let the percentage be X percentage. Okay, children. Let the percentage be X percentage. Then as we have X percentage of 40 is 16. It means when you cancel percentage down comes 100. This off means multiply. I have put there multiply dot. Then when 100 goes here, what will be? Multiply. Then when 40 comes here, it will be divide. Then we will get the value of X 40. Okay. That means what is the percentage here? What is the percentage here? Therefore, the required percentage is 40% here. That means when you find out 40% of 40, you will get here 16. You will get here 16. Okay, children? Rujeev, are you clear?
Yes, sir.
Good. Can I proceed to the next question, Christian?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Good. Okay. Look here now. Next question like this. Look here. Here also we are going to find the percent. Okay. 2.5 kilometer is 700 meter. Here also suppose let the percent be X percentage. And as we have X percentage of 2.5 kilometer means 2,500 meter is 700 meter. Then when you cancel percentage down comes 100. Then this 2020 cancel, then 25 goes here to divide. Then X equals to 28. Okay. The required percentage. Okay. Here also the required percentage is 28%. Okay. Okay, Ritek? Are you clear about this question? Maybe, sir? Are you clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
If any difficulties, please ask. Eh?
Okay.
Now let's move to question number 6. What is the question? Ritek, can you read? Ritek?
Sir,
Read the question number 6.
out of 40 badminton players, for 24 are boys. Find the percentage
Find that.
of
Okay,
boys
that is
and
fine.
girls.
That is fine.
Find the
Okay,
percentage of boys and girls badminton players.
that is
Sol,
fine.
yes, sir. Yes, sir. Pardon.
Okay, you understood the question?
Yes, sir.
It is asking to find the percentage of boys and girls badminton players. First of all, total is given 40, boys is given 24. Then how to find girls? Girls equals to total minus boys. Okay, 16 comes. Then percentage of boys equals to what? Percentage of girls equals to what here? Now percentage of boys equals to what will be? Boys upon total into 100%, right? 4 cancel, 4 the 6, and the answer is coming 40%. Do you know, children, in total, we can do a different method, this one. We can subtract this boys from 100, then what will come? Is this boys? Is this boy or girls? Hello, children.
Sir, both
They are boys or girls?
goal.
Goals. That must be goals. Okay. There must be written goals. Here must be goals. Okay. Understood?
Okay, sir.
Here must be written goals. Okay. First one you have tried. Percentage of
Goal.
goals. And if you know the percentage of goals, then you can find the percentage of boys. Because total percentage we have to take as total percentage you have to take as 100 percentage. Good. Total percentage we have to take as 100 percentage. Then percentage of boys equals to 100% minus girls percentage. Girls percentage you have already found. Then boys percentage will be what? 100% minus 40%. That means 60%. Or you can do this also. This method also you can do here. In this method you can do like this also. Look here. Like previous one, we have tried number of boys up. What is the number of boys there?
24.
24 right up. And what is there down total? 40 into 100%. This method also you can do. This method also you can do. Okay. And here what you have to do? 100%. Okay. What we can do, children, once look here. I am showing you again. What have right here I told? First right here. Boys. Boys how many? 24. And total is what is there? 40 and into 100%. This also we can do. Or we can subtract that girls percentage from boys percentage, then it will come total. 0, 0 cancel. This 0 cancel. Okay. This 0 is cancel 1. Okay. Now 4 1s are 4, 4 6 are. Then answer will come 6 into 10 means what is there? What will be there, children? 60%. Understood, children, this one?
Sir.
Or we can do like
Yes,
this only.
sir.
We can do like this only. We can subtract this girls percentage from 100%, then boys percentage will come. Now let's move to the next question. Disant, can you read this question? Hello, Disant.
If 6 liters of water is added to 24 liters of milk, find the percentage of milk and water in the mixture.
Good. To find the milk and water percentage, first of all, we have to find the total. Mixture is what there? 6 plus 24, it will be 30 liter. Okay. Because to find the percentage, we need total. Then percentage of water, what will be 6 by 6 water up, total is 30 into 100%. Then when you cancel 0, 0 cancel, 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are, then 2 10s are, it will be 20%. If 20% is water, what will be the milk? Do you know, children?
80.
80%. You are absolutely right. You can do this by another method also. What is that? We can do in place of this, we can do. In place of this, we can do this also. Okay, look here. In this side one, look here. What you have tried up? Milk we have tried up. Milk, what is there?
24 liter.
24 right up. Total, what is there?
30.
30. into what will be?
100.
Into 100% is good. Into 100%. Then when you cancel this, what will come? 0, 0 cancel. 3 1 are 3, 3 8 are. Then 8 10 are how much?
80%.
80%, right?
Yes, sir.
Which one method you feel easy, you can do that. Okay, Celine?
Okay, sir.
Look here, now I am moving to the next question. That is question number 8. I am asking to Aditi Jha. Aditi, read this question.
If the price of radio set is increases from rupees 1600 rupees 18 to rupees 1840, why by what percent does its price increase?
Yes. What is it? It's starting one. What is the starting price of the radio? Initial price
Rupees
1600. 1600, right? And increases to final one. What is there? Final price. Till what is the final price? Read that no. What is given there? 1840. Now we have to find out the increased price. Increased price means we have to subtract. How much we get there? How much rupees was increased there?
240.
How much rupees was increased? How much rupees increase is?
240.
200 and
40.
40. Good. And how to find the increase percentage now? Still, what is the increase percentage? First of all, write the increase money right up and previous starting price right down. Okay, then this 2020 called 100% is 1. This 2020 cancel. Then 240 by 16 comes. That means what is the increase percentage there? How much money is increased? How much money is increased, Celine?
16%.
16% is that?
Yes, sir.
15% is that one. That is 15%. When you divide 240 by 16, what will come? It will come 15%. Do you have any confusion till this question?
No, sir.
When you divide 240 by 16, you can show cancelling also here. Okay, you can show cancelling. Okay, 8 to the and it will be 120 to the right, and you can do here 4 to the and this will be what 60 to the and now 2 to the 4. Next you can do here 30 to the now 2 1 the 2. Then what will be here 215 the. Are you clear, children? Hello, children.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Today we are reading till this question. I hope you have understood all the questions, solutions, how to do. Do you have any difficulties in any question?
No, sir.
No. Okay. Now I am giving you